Hi everybody, this is the first time that I'm doing this. Today is the daily card pick and it is angel cards I'm using. The card that I've got is nature. So this card is all about going out in nature and enjoying it. It's about spending time outside, whether that is just a walk around the block, whether it's sitting in the park, or whether it is doing a meditation outside. Nature is great for your self-care and it is great for setting up the start of your day. If it's a lovely sunshiny day, get out in nature. It really changes your mindset and it really makes you feel so good about yourself and start your day off the right way. Nature is the angel card today.